The first thing you want to do is create a Snapchat story as normal. Then you click on this icon where I put an arrow, and then it opens up a page. So in that space, you're going to go and copy the address or the URL that you want to paste on your story. And this is me going to, copy the link. It's copied now, and after copying, you're gonna go back to the Snapchat app and you want to paste it in that space, and you can see Snapchat pasted from YouTube. Then it's going to open up a page where you then see attach to snap, and then you attach. Then a tag pops up, and anyone who interacts with your story can easily tap on that tag and it will lead them to the address, or they can easily swipe up and it will lead them to the address. So you just post your story as normal, and that's really it, guys. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing, like, and share. Thank you for watching. Bye.